In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete navigation in Squarespace. Whether you're tidying up your website or just looking to make some organizational changes, we'll go through the steps needed to update your site's navigation. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, let's start by heading over to Squarespace. You can open your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, you'll notice a Get Started button prominently displayed. Give that a click, and if you already have a Squarespace account, make sure to log in with your credentials. If you're new to Squarespace, you may need to sign up first or follow the procedure you usually use to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, it's time to select the specific site you want to update. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to ensure you pick the correct one. It's easy to switch sites by clicking on the Home button where you'll find a list of your projects. Choose wisely, as we want to make adjustments to the right website. Now that you have your site open, look to the left-hand menu and go ahead and click on Pages under the Website section. This is where all the magic happens for rearranging and organizing your site's navigation. You'll see a list of all your site's pages divided into sections such as Main Navigation, Not Linked, and possibly others like Footer. To remove a page from your navigation, what we'll be doing is not deleting it outright, but rather relocating it from the main navigation to a different section, specifically the one called Not Linked. Find the page you want to move, click, and hold down the mouse button to drag it. Feel free to drag the page down to the Not Linked area, and you'll notice that it's removed from the main navigation bar, effectively making it invisible to anyone browsing your main menu. This is a great way to keep pages on your site without displaying them to site visitors, allowing you to toggle their visibility as needed. Finally, an important step not to overlook. Make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually somewhere on the toolbar, and click it to ensure all the adjustments you've made are properly recorded. This is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, there's a chance your changes won't be applied and you might have to repeat these steps. And that's it! With these easy steps, you've successfully edited your site's navigation in Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you better manage your website.